Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the crouch mode in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then go into the controls. Here, in general, look to the crouch behavior. You can change it to hold or toggle. Toggle will, it means that when you once hit the crouch button, you'll stay crouching until you hit it again. Or hold, so you have to hold the crouch button for the entire time you want to stay crouched. Once you make a choice, simply hit the button of the Save Changes button, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.